Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a July Boxycharm unboxing. So I've had Boxycharm for about a year now. It's $21 a month. You get like $100 or more worth of the makeup products that you get in this box. Really great subscription, especially if you're new to makeup. It just gives you a chance to try all these new products. I actually have not been buying makeup as much just because I get so many products each month from this subscription. So yeah guys, let's get to it. So the first thing in the box that I got is a card that tells you pretty much everything about the products and the prices. And the first thing I want to take out is the LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It's a nourishing prebiotic green mask. It's made with avocado and broccoli seed oils, okay. Also vitamin C and passion fruit acids that help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. Get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. And this retails for $35. And it says to apply the mask twice daily on cleansed skin. Slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. So I'm just gonna put this on. It smells really good. But it doesn't smell florally at all. And also in the box, I got these Luxie brushes. Unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. Will do, Luxie. The brushes include a Luxie 250 large eye blending, Luxie 246 a precision crease, and a Luxie 510 which is the foundation brush. And I actually took this out next because I'm going to be using the foundation brush for the mask. These brushes retail for $30. It's a foundation brush. It's really cute. I love the pink wood it's really soft. I'm just gonna put the mask on with this brush and then I'll be right back. It doesn't say that my face needs to be damp, so I'm just going to put it on a dry face. Very strong smelling. It smells like those generic clay masks that you can pretty much get at the drugstore. I'm not using this brush for foundation because I usually don't use these kinds of brushes for that. I usually just use a sponge or a flat top kabuki. But this brush feels super nice. It's very soft. I'm gonna make sure I get my pimple right here because she needs a treatment. And it does feel cooling, but not in a way that it's like burning my skin. Alright, so I'm just gonna let this dry for 10 minutes and then I will be right back after I wash it off. Alright, so it has been 10 minutes and with my damp cloth, I'm just gonna take off this mask. My skin looks and feels really nice. It definitely feels clean. Make my skin look more smooth and just overall nourished and clean. The next thing in the box is this Butter London eyeshadow palette. This is the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. It retails for $32. There is a mirror inside, which I love. Looks like that. I'm just gonna do a few swatches for you guys. The swatches so far are looking really nice. So these are the swatches. I'm also gonna insert a picture. The only thing about this, I wish that it had like a light brown for a crease shade to make it more versatile and more like usable. Since there's only 2 makeup products in the box, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my face makeup and then come back and use this eyeshadow palette for my eyeshadow. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my face and I'm just gonna use these Luxie brushes to do my eyeshadow. And since there's no crease shade, I'm just gonna use the Temptress in my crease and then just build it from there. Okay, so I actually don't like this brush for the crease. I think it's just too big for me because my eye is kind of small. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other eye, but I'm just gonna get a smaller crease brush. All right, I am back with my A1 Day 1 Morphe M505 brush. And let me just use that. Oops. I think that crease brush, this one, this large eye blending, I would probably use to highlight or contour my nose. You could probably use it as a highlighter brush also. It's just too big to use for your crease. Well, at least my crease. As you can see, the color payoff isn't as harsh using this brush. So it's easier to use a little and build up at the same time. Alright, so this is the completed look. So personally, it's an alright palette. Like I said, if you're beginning in makeup, this is gonna be great for you. And the only color that really stands out for me is the Femme Fatale. I don't know if I pronounced that right, hopefully I did. Just because I don't really have a color like that, but all the rest of the colors, I have tons of palettes that have all these colors. So the next thing in the box is this Luna by Luna, what is it? Lip gloss. It's a non-sticky gloss formula that applies on smoothly and won't drip. I love the packaging. I love anything with moons and stars, so. It's really pretty. I was really hoping that I would get one of the Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss, but I didn't, but it's alright. I'm just gonna line my lips with the ColourPop Bretman Rock lip pencil in BFF3, I think is the color. It definitely looks shiny. I actually like it. It's shiny but not glossy. And I think this is a really good gloss topper. Not necessarily something that I would wear by itself, but it is also non-sticky, which I really, really like. and that retails for $18. Okay, and the last thing in the box I was super excited for, this is the Kojendo Spa Cleansing Water Cloths. Remove waterproof makeup and impurities while nourishing the skin with mineral-rich cleansing spa water. And these retail for $17. And I'm actually not going to be using this right now. I'm going to come back later tonight and show you guys taking off my makeup with them, just because I am going to be wearing this makeup look out to dinner. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so now I am back from dinner and I am going to use the makeup wipes to take off my makeup. It definitely feels different than the drugstore makeup wipes. It feels like one of those wet naps that you use for your hands, but for your face. It kind of smells like cucumber too. So this is all my makeup. I took off pretty much all of my makeup, or most of it, besides my eye makeup. But that's usually how most makeup wipes are for me. But yeah, my skin feels very refreshed, and it doesn't feel like slimy at all. It didn't leave any slimy residue. I really like the LMS mask. I like the eyeshadow palette as well. Again, like I said, that wasn't really a need for me, but again, if you're, you know, new in makeup and you don't have very many eyeshadow palettes, I think it's a good one. The brush set was okay. I have a lot of brushes like that, but nevertheless, I do like Luxie as a brush brand. Also, I love the lip gloss. It wasn't sticky at all. It kind of felt more like a chapstick, if that makes sense. I think my favorite product was probably the lip gloss and the makeup wipes. And so if I calculate all the prices of the box, it's at $132, which is awesome because Boxy only costs $21 a month. But yeah, that is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And also let me know any ideas you'd like me to do for my next video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching again. Bye.
What's that? In my next video. And like,
It's so hot in here. Oh. What?
Take a shower.
Can you take a shower in the other bathroom? I'm making a video.
No, because I put my toothbrush in there already.
I gave you your toothbrush.
Can't just take B-roll without music right now. Without any audio.
Can you wait like 5 minutes?
Only gonna take you 5 minutes, Kayla.